Hi there! On this video, I'll show you how to fix Warzone 2 error disconnected from Steam. To start, open your search bar and type in Control Panel. Once in Control Panel, maximize it. Now click Network and Internet. Then click Network and Sharing Center. Click your connection. This could be Wi-Fi or LAN. Now click Properties. Once you click Properties, make sure you check Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IP v4. Then double-click on Internet Protocol version 6. Click the Use the following DNS server addresses. And then after doing all that, click on OK. Once you have closed version 6, this time tap Internet Protocol version 4. Double-click. Once you double-click, click on Use the following DNS server addresses. Check Validate Settings upon exit, and then click on OK and then exit. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.